If you're an environmental contractor, there's a good chance your insurance has gaps, and you don't even know it yet. And the problem is you won't find out until there's a claim. In this video, I'm breaking down the top insurance mistakes environmental contractors make and how to avoid them before they cost you serious money. Because one wrong assumption about your coverage can easily turn into a six-figure loss. Let's start with the biggest one. Mistake number one, assuming general liability covers environmental work. This is the most common and the most dangerous. General liability policies typically exclude pollution. If your work involves mold, asbestos, contaminants, or hazardous materials, you're likely not covered. That means one claim could come straight out of your pocket. Mistake number two, not having contractors' pollution liability. If you're doing environmental work, this isn't optional, it's foundational. This policy covers pollution events, cleanup costs, third-party injury, property damage from contamination. Without it, you're exposed to the exact risks your business creates. Mistake number three, buying the cheapest policy. Everyone wants to save money, but cheap insurance usually means more exclusions. And those exclusions are where claims get denied. Saving a few $100s now can cost you hundreds of thousands later. Mistake number four, not reading the policy exclusions. Most contractors never actually review what's excluded, but that's where all the risk is hiding. If you don't know what your policy doesn't cover, you don't really know what you're buying. Mistake number five, using an agent who doesn't specialize in environmental risks. Environmental insurance is not standard. It requires a deep understanding of your operations, your job sites, your exposure points. If your agent doesn't specialize in this space, they're guessing, and that guess can cost you. Mistake number six, not carrying professional liability. If you do consulting, testing, or provide reports, you're not just responsible for your work, you're responsible for your advice. If your recommendation leads to a loss, you can be sued, and general liability won't cover that. Mistake number seven, not updating coverage as your business grows. New services, bigger projects, different job sites, all of these increase your risk. Most contractors keep the same policy year after year. That creates a growing gap between what you do and what you're covered for. Mistake number eight, ignoring contractual insurance requirements. Many contracts require specific coverage types and limits. If you don't meet those requirements, you could lose the job or worse, take on uninsured risk. Mistake number nine, not covering mobile pollution exposure. If you're transporting materials, equipment, or waste, you have risk beyond the job site. Not all policies cover that automatically. Mistake number 10, waiting until there's a problem. Most contractors only review their insurance when something goes wrong, but by then it's too late. Insurance only works if it's set up correctly before the claim. And finally, mistake number 11, thinking it won't happen to me. Every contractor thinks this until it does. Environmental claims are unpredictable and expensive. All it takes is one incident to create a major financial problem. Here's the bottom line. The biggest risk isn't just the work you do, it's the gaps in your coverage. And most contractors have them. So here's what I recommend. Go to the link in the description and review what proper environmental contractor coverage should look like. Or if you want a faster, more direct answer, book a call. We'll walk through, no pressure, just clarity. Because fixing these mistakes now is simple. Fixing them after a claim is expensive. What you do, what coverage you currently have, where you're exposed. Thanks for watching. Protect your business before